Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So this is our last turkey canning leftover video, and what I'm doing here is melting my drippings, and we are going to make some gravy. That was a bone. We've got our drippings melting. And it's okay if you have some bits of meat in there. Drippings usually have a little bit. And we are going to take our clear gel. You want the cook type when you're canning. We are going to start with a 1/4 cup of clear gel and mix that with some water. So here's our 1/4 cup. And I'm mixing that with about a cup of water. And if you have any leftover gravy, you can add that to this as well. And we're going to bring this up to a boil until it thickens to your desired consistency. And then we will can it up. Be 60 minutes pints and 75 minutes for quarts, even if there are bits of meat, because this isn't a dense packed jar of meat. I'm going to just add that, and we'll see how thick it gets and when it's where you like it. If you've ever bought canned gravy, that's a consistency we're going for. And this is my last project with my leftover turkey. I don't have anything left. I have squeezed every penny out of that bird that I could squeeze. So I'm going to get this going until it comes to a boil, and when it comes up to a boil, I'll be back. And like I said, if you have some of your leftover gravy, you can go ahead and add that to this as well. Okay, so our gravy's boiling. It's been boiling for a little bit. You want to get that taste of the cornstarch out. Cook it down, or cook it out. I'm going to taste it. It tastes good. It doesn't need any salt or anything, but if yours does, season it with whatever seasonings you like. I wouldn't add sage or anything until you opened it. If you like sage in your gravy, do that when you open it. But salt, pepper, whatever you like to season your gravy with. Got a clean spoon. And this is the consistency. And clear gel has a tendency to thicken in the canning process, so you could thicken this more if you want, or you can can it. I'm going to can it at this stage, and then if you need to, you could thicken it when you open it. But it should thicken in the canning process as well. So we are going to jar this up. I'm going to do this in the carry canner because it's not a big batch. I have my jars washed and ready. So we're just going to fill them up, and I don't want to drip like I always do. That tastes really good. And you can use this in a plethora of things. It doesn't just have to be gravy. If you have some turkey meat left that you put in the freezer or that you canned, you could add it to that for like pot pie, or you could make turkey stew. It's a lot of things you can do. 1 inch of headspace. Hot. You don't have to debubble this, it's a liquid. We're going to get some vinegar and wipe off our rims. So 3 pints of gravy for the shelf. And when I refrigerated the drippings, I made my gravy, but I still had drippings in the pan. So I skimmed I put it in the fridge, and then when the turkey fat rose to the top, I scraped that off and put it in a little 4-ounce jar in the freezer. And I thought I would use that like you would use chicken schmaltz, or use it to make doggy treats, like the bacon doggy treats. So like I seriously wasted nothing in this bird. So this will go in my carry canner for 60 minutes. That doesn't mean it's sealed. If you ever have a jar that pings before it gets canned, it's not safe, so don't think that it's sealed. You still have to process it. People have actually made that mistake, thinking that their food was sealed and didn't process it. So if your jar pops, still got to process it. So I will be doing these for 60 minutes, quarts for 90 minutes, and I will see you when these are coming out. Okay, here's our gravy. Last turkey project. There it is. We are done with canning turkey stuff. So anyways, I just thought I'd share that quick canning project with you. It's still boiling in the jar there. So anyways, share what you've done with your leftover turkey and sides or whatever. We've pretty much wiped everything out. We ate it, froze it, canned it. So beat that inflation. Don't waste anything. So I will see you all soon. You stay safe, you stay healthy, and yeah, we'll see you in the next video.